Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to make a 5-volt power supply. If in case you have a charger or a adapter like this and it is dead, so what we can do is just try to get a USB male connector similar to this. So when you cut the wire, you can see cable. In the cable you can find 4 wires actually. These are the 4 wires. One is green, red, black and yellow. So in this green and white, it is for data transmission. Red and black, it is for power supply. So red is positive, black is negative. In the same way, once we cut this DC pin, we'll find 2 wires. One will be the red wire, the other one is the black wire. So that red and black needs to be connected here. I have a requirement now where my Android TV box needs 5-volt power supply, so I need not spend much money in order to get a charger or an adapter. Instead of that, I can use this waste cable and try to use any of the mobile adapter so we can build a power supply. Let me start the wiring now. So these are the 2 wires. One is red, the other one is black. So I have to desolder this. We'll desolder the 2 wires, black and red. Remove now. Instead we will be connecting these 2 wires. One will be the red. Make sure you are connecting to the same wires, same color wires. Other one goes to black. Please insulate this once it is completed, either by using any insulation tape, or if you have shrink sleeve you can use it. So it is completed now. Time to check. I am using this type of adapter. So let me connect this. I will be plugging into the power supply. So let us test the voltage using a multimeter. Friends, now we can test the power supply. So it is giving 4.85 volt. Make sure it is not crossing above 5 volts, because it is not safe to use above 5 volts for the specification mentioned in your box, or if it is a mobile phone, whatever it is. So this was the Android TV box which I was saying. So this has a, so it is working now actually. So this has a specification of DC 5 volt. DC 5 volt. So this way we can use it, friends. It is very cheap actually, but also useful and safe, because we are using mobile charger here. So it will definitely meet the standards. Instead of going for a RC charger, replacement chargers, you can use the original charger with just replacing the cable. Thank you, friends. Subscribe for more videos.